Tutorial number 42. In the previous tutorial we created this remove, the basic remove, just only 3 sketches, and activated the multi-remove sections, and we created this removed loft. So now in this tutorial we're going to make this loft guided with a spline, and also it can be applied as well on the sections solid. Now let's delete this one, the old loft, delete, and press OK. So now we have these two sketches. Let's create a sketch on that. Again, exit. So now we have again 3 sketches. So let's click on this surface to create the path for this remove. Let's create a spline and be sure it is pathing through the center point of the circles. Exit. So now let's activate the multi-remove, uncheck the spline. Now let's choose the sketch. So we have to look at the direction of the points are matching. So we have here can reverse direction, and for the guides a spline we can choose this a spline. Preview. Okay, so now we created this guided removed material, as you can notice here. So the same idea can be applied on the basic multi-section solid.